we are going to do three-strand braids. So I went ahead and I removed all of the pinks from the 3 sections. So now we're going to do three-strand braids, only using yellow, orange, and red. And just go ahead and move the pink out of the way in the front. The first 3-strand braid is the classic one, the one that most people know. Very simple, yellow, orange, red. We are going to move everything in the middle above the strands prior. So yellow is going to go in the middle above orange. Then red is going to go in the middle above yellow. Everything goes in the middle above the last strand. Orange goes in the middle above red. Yellow goes in the middle above orange. Red goes in the middle above yellow. Always going in the middle and always going from above. And this is your 3-strand braid. Now let's go ahead and do the same one but reversed. Now reversed, everything will go in the middle but from below. Yellow is going to go below orange into the middle. Then red is going to go below yellow in the middle. Everything goes in the middle from below. Below red, below orange, below yellow. Always going under, under, under. In the middle, but under. Now that we've done the classic 3-strand going from above, and we did the reverse 3-strand going from below, now we're going to do a 3-strand braid which goes above and below. So we have yellow, orange, and red. Yellow is going to go above and below. So we're going to do this by splitting it in half. So now I got 2 yellow strands. One's going to go above orange, and one is going to go below orange. And they're going to meet in the middle and become one again. Red's turn. Red is going to go above and below at the same time, so we're going to split it in half. One half is going to go in the middle above yellow. The other half is going to go in the middle below yellow, meeting in the middle as one. Orange is going to be split in half. It is going to go in the middle above red and in the middle below red, meeting in the middle as one. And this is how you do a 3D 3-strand braid. Yellow will be split in half, going above and below orange. Red is going to be split in half, going above and below yellow. Orange is going to split in half, going above and below red. This will give you a 3D effect, which is very nice when you want a thicker braid, or if you're going to want to make a bun out of it. The 3D effect makes your braid bigger, gives you more options. Yellow will split in half, above and below orange. Red will split in half, going above and below yellow. And let's just do one more. Orange will be split in half, going above and below red. So here we have your 3D braid. It is from the front and the side, and on the other side and the back. It is a 3D 3-strand braid. Let's go ahead and do it on the mannequin head now. I brought the mannequin head as a half up, half down. I'm going to split into 3 strands. Always make sure that they're even with each other. Get a feel for it in your hands. This feels good. All right, let's go ahead and do the classic 3-strand. Everything is going to go in the middle from above. Yellow goes into the middle above orange. Red goes in the middle over yellow. Orange goes into the middle over red. And we keep going into the middle above the last strand. In the middle from above. Now this is your classic 3-strand braid. Let's go ahead and do it in reverse. Same 3 strands, except now we are going to go below into the middle. Yellow is going to go below orange into the middle. Red is going to go below yellow into the middle. Orange is going to go in the middle under red. And we keep going into the middle, below the last strand, into the middle, into the middle, and you do this until you run out of hair. Into the middle, into the middle. This is your reverse 3-strand braid. Let's go ahead and do the fun one, the 3-strand braid. Using the same 3-strand and without picking up hair from the back of the mannequin. Let's go ahead and get started. So we have yellow. Yellow's going to go above and below the middle strand. I'm going to split yellow in half. It's going to go above and below at the same time. Joining back as one. So there's the one above, and there's the one below. This is yellow coming back as one. Red is going to go ahead and split in half, and it's going to go above and below at the same time, coming back as one into the middle. Orange is going to split in half, and it's going to go above and below at the same time. Now we're going to go ahead and split up yellow again. It's going to go above and it's going to go below, meeting in the middle. Split the left one. It's now two. One's going to go above, one's going to go below. Splitting it in two. It's going to go above and in and below into the middle. Splitting this in two, it's going to go above and below into the middle. One last one, splitting it in two. One's going to go above and the other one's going to go below, meeting in the middle. So actually I'm going to do a few more so we can get the full effect. Above, below, not grabbing hair from the back. Splitting into two, above and below. Okay. Then we would tie it here, and there's your 3D braid, 3D from the front, from the side, from the other side, and all the way in the back. So this is your 3D 3-strand.